Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video I will tell what is Shopify drop shipping. So let's start the video. What is Shopify drop shipping? Shopify drop shipping can be a good option for beginners because it is easy to use and has lower startup costs than traditional retail models. With drop shipping, you do not need to produce, store, or ship products, so you can save on expenses like storage and shipping. However, you might have small profit margins because you are giving most of your earnings to the supplier. Here are some steps you can take to start a dropshipping business on Shopify. First, dedicated on a niche, find a profitable niche that's not already being served by other merchants. Second, research competitors. Consider how you can your store from other in the marketplace. Third, choose a supplier. Find a reliable supplier and conduct product research. Fourth, select products and set prices. Fill your store with products then will appeal to customers. 5. Build an e-commerce store. Create a custom store that reflects your brand identity. Shopify is simple enough to use that you do not need technical experience to build your own store. 6. Set up finance. Decide on a business structure and put your finance in order. 7. Market your business. Consider using an online store to avoid third party fees and improve your profit margins. 8. Implement security best practice. Take step to protect your customers' personal information. What sorry Is Shopify a good way to start dropshipping? Tip: with Shopify it's easy to start a dropshipping businesses and start selling without the hassle of managing inventory. Packaging or shipping order are sent directly from your wholesaler to your customers, so you can work on what matters: your products, marketing, and customers. How can I beginner start dropshipping? How to start dropshipping business in 2024, a compulsory guide. First, choose a dropshipping business niche. Second, find dropshipping supplier. Third, build your business brand in the identity. For create your online store. 5. Prepare to dropshipping business finance. 6. Register your dropshipping businesses as a legal structure. Is Shopify basic good for dropshipping? Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform for dropshipping. Dropshipping apps designed for Shopify connect your store to dropshipping suppliers to import products and auto mode or order fulfillment. Who pay first in dropshipping? Who pay first in dropshipping? In dropshipping, the customer pays the retailer. You first once a customer place an order on your online store and makes the payment. You use a portion of the money to purchase the product from your supplier. What are what are the disadvantages of Shopify? Let's look at some of the cons of using Shopify and what they might mean for your online businesses. Pricing, limited design customization options, Shopify processing fees, no email hosting, difficult exit. Can I start dropshipping with no money? Many people have misconceived that dropshipping is hard and started and to start online selling you need capital. That is true to some extent, but dropshipping is a business where you do not need to keep any stock, so it is it is something that you could start with zero money. Is dropshipping legal in India? There is no specific law that provides the operation of dropshipping means in India. According to Kementra, the online selling of products is legal provided all the legal requirements are adhered to. It is important to ensure that dropshipping products are not provided or illegal in India. Is dropshipping easy? As we mentioned before, starting a dropshipping business is as simple as finding as a supplier and choosing a marketplace or building a website which is easier than ever with the amount of site in a box service available today. You do not need to pay for warehouse pick and packs, spam or manage stock levels.